Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the last day of the month, so it means that it's time for One Sketch Challenge 23. And this challenge is hosted by Lisa, Crafting Diva, and there are other people in the collaboration. We've got Diane, Leslie, Jessica, Hilary, Jane, Lorna, Christine, Alex, of course, Lisa, and myself. So this time I'm not going to show you step by step because I'm actually I don't have that much time and I wasn't sure if I'm going to make it actually, but I did it. I was just decided to get myself a coffee and just craft in my own pace. I think sometimes it's important to actually do that. So let me talk about this project. So as you can see, we've got this sketch prepared by Lisa, and she used rectangles, but at the background they look more rectangle than squares, but I decided to use squares because I used a square card blank. So I had those papers. These are the papers actually from a magazine. It's from this Wellness card making kit, and it has so many beautiful things and so many words and sentiments. I wasn't sure which one to use, and I had this one in my hand. Oh, and this one, make yourself a priority. Sometimes it actually is important to look after yourself, to slow down a little bit. So I had so many of them, and I thought, I was sitting having my coffee and thinking which one to use. There is beauty in everything. And so let me show you, because I already used this kit for another project which I'm going to show you on my channel. So there are papers, there are some bookmarks, there are those sentiments, toppers, more papers, different types of papers. So yes, if you want, and there are some tassels as well, a notepad. There's an envelope with something inside, which you're going to see in the other video where I actually going to use this kit in a step-by-step tutorial, so I'm not going to tell you what's in that envelope. And more toppers and elements. So that's from the magazine. It's a magazine, Papercraft Essentials. Papercraft Essentials issue 223. So I'm going to link that magazine in the description box below, so you can check it out if you want. And I really like green color. Let me see if you can see it. This one is pistachio, Centura per cardstock from Crafters Companion, as you can see. And I was thinking what I could match with those papers, and at first I was looking for that mirror card in blue, or this is like a fold effect. So but I couldn't find it, so I decided to match it with green, and I think it works, because as you can see on that sentiment, we've got this beautiful green, we've got pink. So I was thinking either green or pink, so I cut the mat in that pistachio color. Then I used the paper from that Wellness card making kit, and then I cut I think 6 by 6 centimeter squares in pistachio, and then slightly smaller that paper from that kit as well. And the topper is of course from the kit. So I hope you like this one. It's nice and shiny, and it's quite simple, which is like it's nice to do some simple designs as well from time to time. I was actually thinking to add a bow or purse, but for now I'm going to keep it the way it is, and I'm happy with this one. So let me know, what do you think about this? Do you think you would like to join our hashtag One Sketch Challenge 23? If you do join this challenge, please add the hashtag, because then we can check other videos, check your YouTube or other social medias, and we can actually go and comment under your project. And also please go over to other ladies who are taking part in this collaboration and check out what they created with this beautiful sketch. So I hope you're going to have a nice Friday afternoon, and hopefully nice and sunny weekend, because at the moment it's really wet where I am. So thank you so much for watching, and go over to other ladies to check what they created this month. So bye for now.